So it's really doing what it's supposed to do. Like, it looks like scalp, you know. So they did their thing. Even though it's a 13x4, you could definitely get a good amount of, like, you could part it anywhere in the front that you like, as I said before. So Nadula Hair, shout out to you. You're doing your best with, you know, improving the quality of your wigs. Welcome back, guys. You know, so from I see the name, I see the box. Yeah, we here with Nadula again. Let's get into the wig. So this is a wig we're working with today. It's 24 inches long, by the way. So it's given natural, nice blowout. So this is actually a Kinky straight lace front. It's a 13x4 lace front wig. So I'm really delighted. This is how it looks. It comes with a medium brown lace and everything, and the edges are like that kinky curly kind of vibe. It's pre-plucked. It feels good. It looks good. The hair is very full. All right, it's a natural 1B color for the hair. And let me show you the inside. So as I said, it's a 13x4, and it has a total of 3 combs on the inside, along with this elastic band, which is adjustable, which is great for security. You guys know this. It's also removable, so if you don't need it, you can remove it. And you know, you have adjustable straps in the back to make the cap tighter or looser. And the cap is also a medium size that I got. In terms of the density, I'm just tightening it. In terms of the density, I'm gonna go ahead and put all the specs as usual in my description box, so please go ahead and be sure to check that out for further information. You know, if I have any discount code or anything on this gorgeous wig. I know a lot of my chicas love a good textured kinky straight type of hair, and this is really beautiful. This is gorgeous. I'm very excited to go ahead and get started with today's install, because this looks really good. So now that I got through the type of wig that we're working with, let's go ahead and jump into the installation. Absolutely love the fit. So what I'm gonna do is actually do a really nice and quick glue install with this. Of course, I have excess lace on the side I need to cut away. I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna just go in with my Lace Be Gone glue and get it nice and laid. And then I always think having the kinky edges just make everything super like realistic looking, because it's just so textured. I feel like the textured edge really just adds to the whole vibe. So love that. So now that I went ahead and cut away the excess on the sides of the cap, I'm gonna go ahead and start on the glue portion, which I'm gonna speed through. guys, so you see I did these two little twiny things here, and I'm showing you basically that you can part this hair anywhere in the front that you please, because it's a 13 by 4 as I said before. You can get a nice side part, you know. 13 by 4 is pretty normal with the depth, but at least you have space to work with all the way across the front, you know, on either side. So that's really, really nice, and I love that. You can have fun with it. As you can see, I did this cute little hairstyle, these two pieces of things here, and it's just so cute. So what I'm gonna do is thoroughly go through the entire wig with my flat iron, get it nice and bone straight, well, as straight as possible, because you know it's a really nice thick kinky straight texture. And I'm gonna fast forward through this portion as well, so let's go. This is the finished product. Oh my gosh, you see how this turned out? The movement is so nice. Like, it was so big, but you know, we tamed everything. The hair looks good, the partings look very clean, looks very nice and realistic. So I'm very pleased with how it turned out. And did this little style. The movement is beautiful. The hair is also very full, and I really do appreciate that. In terms of shedding, I did get shedding, but it was more on the minimal level, so I was still able to work with it and stuff. But yeah, I'm really enjoying this style. I've never really done it before. It's really, really cute. Like, it's really cute, and the hair is just so full. It feels like a natural blowout. Like, it feels really strong. Feels like the hair is gonna, you know, be this full for a long time, like durable. So I'm really pleased with that. So yeah, for sure I'm going to drop the direct link to this wig in my description box, so please go ahead and shop this wig if you're interested. Down below also the specifications will be listed, so check them out. And if I have any discount codes available, it will also be there. So shout out to Nadula Hair. Bye. Nadula.